Hey everyone, Ashley here, and this is the look I'm going to be creating today. I'm starting out with the Sugar Cookie palette from Too Faced, dipping into Go Elfin Wild with this Morphe brush, applying it to the outer corner, creating a V-type shape in the outer corner, and then lightly blending it into the crease, using windshield wiper motions as well as blending motions to create a soft, seamless blend between the shade and my regular skin tone, swooping it onto the lid a little bit towards the inner corner. It doesn't have to be too perfect. We're using this as a transition shade. Every so often going in with more product to just build this up as I'd like. Just going over the edges, making sure everything is smooth and seamless. Next, I'm going in with the shade Airy and this flat shader brush from Morphe, and I'm slowly packing it onto the center of my lid and then moving towards the inner corner, but not all the way inwards. I'm just slowly building up the color, feathering it on the edges, and then bringing it up past the crease a little bit, blending it into that transition shade at the top, bringing it towards the inner corner, leaving a little bit of space, adding more color to just have an even application. Just blending that top edge and the sides a little bit with the fluffy brush. Add a little bit more color here. Next, I'm going in with the Natasha Denona pastel palette using shade Bubble, and I'm applying this on the edge of the other blue, just slowly building it up little by little, kind of just feathering it towards the outer corner as well, packing more color onto my brush and then packing it on and then blending it into that previous blue, and then just lightly feathering this towards the outer corner crease and upwards, using a light hand here and feathering motions. Just going back in with the blending brush to blend the edges, and then I'm dipping one more time back into the bubble shade and applying a little bit more on top. Next, back to the Sugar Cookie palette and a flat shader brush from Morphe. I'm using Maids of Milken, applying that to the inner corner and then feathering it into that first blue, just to blend everything together, and applying it to the inner corner as well as the lower inner corner on the lower lash line, bringing it upwards into that crease shade, just have seamless edges. Again, just slowly building the color up, just feathering it out. Next, from the Sugar Cookie palette in Claws a Stir with a blending brush and a pencil brush from Morphe, I'm first applying this on the outer corner, a little bit on the lash line and outer corner, and then bringing it upwards, following that V shape, the upward slope of the lower lash line, just concentrating the color on at first, bringing it upwards and then feathering it inwards with this little brush, and then going in with the fluffy brush and then blending the edges. I'm using blending and swirling motions on the edges to have a seamless blend. You can go back in with our transition shade to help blend everything out, following that upward slope to create a triangle in the outer corner and then bringing it towards the front of the eye. Just have a soft blend between all the shades. I'm applying the transition shade Go Elfin Wild on the lower lash line with a shader brush. Next, I'm drawing on some eyeliner on the outer 2/3 with the LA Girl Pastel Dream Eyeliner in shade Powder Blue, starting on the portion of my eye where the eyelashes start to grow, and then gradually making this thicker, and then creating a wing following the upward slope of my lower lash line, and then just filling everything in. Just cleaning it up a little bit. I'm just taking my time applying this using little feathering motions. Next, I'm going in with the Maven Beauty eyeliner in shade Atlantis, drawing on an inner corner wing, using mascara and lashes in style Millie from Bali Lash, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Be sure to subscribe down below and hit the notification bell to be notified of the next time I post. Bye!